This product right here makes $71,000 a month. Let me explain. So here it is being sold on Amazon. It's a flameless candle, and as you can see over here, it's making $71,000 a month. And the seller is selling it for $17. You also have other sellers that are selling it for $26 and $24, and they're making around $66,000 and $57,000 a month. And you can buy it over here on Alibaba for around $1.35 to $4. And here's another seller that's selling it for $1.50. So the cool thing is you don't actually need to carry any of the inventory at home. All you do is you place the order from your supplier and you ship it straight to the Amazon warehouse, and Amazon will pick, pack, and ship it for you. And usually profit margins after all of the costs are 25 to 50%. So if the seller was profiting 25%, then they would get to take home around $17,750 every single month. And for a business that basically runs itself, it's not too bad. If you want to learn how to start your own Amazon FBA business, follow me.